Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it is the one and only greatness. And I'm back here with another video, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, I want to thank you guys for your support. I'm at 83 subscribers right now. I remember when I was like at 30. So to see that I'm almost at 100 now, and I will be doing a 100 subscriber giveaway, but to see that I've actually built up that is nice because I just know it's only up from here. Don't give up on anything. Even small progress is better than no progress. But I do want to thank you guys for that. Obviously, check out the merch. I'll put the website down below. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, all of that. But today's video, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be showing you guys a 2021 scalping strategy. Once again, I'm going to be showing you guys a 2021 scalping strategy using psychological levels. That's what I trade. I'm just going to be basically showing you guys a lower time frame top down analysis, and we're going to do it on desktop, and we're going to do that in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. So ladies and gentlemen, we are here, and as always, the website I do use is TradingView. So you're going to go to tradingview.com, and we're just going to find a pair here. Just go to Euro USD. And pretty much these are all my psychological levels. If you haven't watched the video, all of these lines are psychological levels. We'll go to GA just because I have it mapped up a little bit better. Turn on looks, algo off. And so pretty much, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, I'm going to be teaching you guys the 15-minute or just a scalping strategy in general. And a day trader, so a day trader is someone who puts a trade in on the 4 hourly and hourly, and they hold it for a period of time. A scalper is somebody who trades on the 15-minute or the 5-minute chart, and they get out, you know, in 1 hour, 30 minutes. It all depends. And pretty much, it's all the same thing. If you were a day trader, you're going to go from the daily to the 4 hourly to the hourly. If you are a scalper, which I'm going to show you guys, you're going to go from the hourly to the 15-minute to the 5-minute, or the hourly, or even the 2 hourly. You can go to 2 hourly, hourly, 15. But pretty much, I mean, you can just see how this is just trading back and forth on the hourly. So what you want to do is, like I said, you're going to be using the hourly. Do not go on the 4 hourly and then drop to the 15-minute. You have to make sure you find a setup on the hourly. And so pretty much what you're going to do here, or how you could have traded this, is, look at this fake out right here. Let's find a good point for you guys. This nice jump right here. So on the hourly, you're just going to want to find a key level. I have my psychological levels. So here at this half level, I would see what the market wants to do, if it wants to break through or if it wants to continue up. You see that we the uptrend, higher high, higher low. This is the higher low, higher high, higher low. So first confirmation is uptrend. Second confirmation is, you know, market structure has not been broken. So now you just want to find an entry on the 15-minute, because that's simply all you're doing with scalping, is entering on the 15-minute and just waiting less amount of candles versus going in on the hourly. That's going to force you to wait a longer period of time. That's all scalping really is. Obviously, swing trading is a whole different thing because you're holding it for days, but most day traders only hold trades for 4 hours, and I feel like that's simply because they're on the hourly chart. Because the 15-minute, you're going to make the money on the 15-minute as well. But pretty much on the hourly, like I said, once I would have seen this candle formation right here, this doji, it's pretty much telling me, even all of these wicks down here, you can clearly see that the price does not want to break below. It didn't close. None of these closed below. Came here, it closed here. Closed here, closed here. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, closed here, went up, closed here, boom. So what would I do now? Wait for this break of structure right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is where you should have been wanting to enter. Here. So I'm going to put a box around this hammer candle right here, because this is now a zone that needs to be broken in order for me to get in. And as you can see, if you would have gotten in here, perfect entry. And so what you would do on the hourly, that's what you do. You find a major level where prices, you know, the bulls and the bears are fighting, a key zone. That's what I like to call it. This is just a key zone. And how can I tell? Just look how price just was all in it. This candle's in it, this wick hit it, this wick hit it, this candle's in it, this wick came down, these candles in it, this candle's in it. And this was the formation of the higher low. So to make this more accurate, it would need to break all of this, because this was the little retracement. Boom, boom, boom. So it need to break here. So you go on the 15 minute. And now simply on the 15 minute, it's the same thing. It's all fractal. And I hope you guys are extending the video. I am just trying to get videos out for you guys to, just because I know how it is to find Forex videos, and I'm just trying to put as many videos out there. So I hope you guys are understanding me. And if you don't really understand, just keep watching, keep practicing Forex, and you understand. So from that box I put on the hourly, I'm going to drop down to the 15-minute chart for my entry. Now, these were all entries right here that you could have got in. It's as simple as that. You put your box there and you use that box as a key zone. If price does not want to break below it, you know that you're fine. So how would you enter? Where would you enter? Any of this in the box would have been a good entry. You see how this candle it came all the way below and it closed here. This one, like, you see how its price is closing above. These are all indications to you that the market wants to go up. You just have to realize that. This is on the 15-minute chart now. This is the same exact strategy on the 15-minute chart. So you could have entered in here on this hammer. You could have entered in, and I target the next whole level. Where would you put your stop loss? Look at that. This is perfect setup right here. I'm going to put my stop loss below the next key zone. You could even have went here, but you see it didn't even, come on now, it didn't even drop 15 pips. Wherever you want to put your stop loss, as long as you have a 1 to 3 RR, that's fine. But here, great entry. All of this was good entry here. All of this was good entry. And you see how far it went up. I mean, this, you got in. You know what I'm saying? If you get in, you got to know when to hold. But you got in, and this ended up going all the way here, just from that right there. On the 15-minute chart, you could have gotten 200 pips in March 31st. One day. It's just that simple, ladies and gentlemen. So I'll show you guys one more example really quickly, just because I don't want this video to be too long. Let's see here. So now we're in this consolidation. I wonder what GA is about to do next, actually, after this big jump. But even in consolidation, how it's just bouncing between these two levels. And look what two levels it's bouncing between. Large level $1.82 and the half level. So this manipulation is crazy. I can't even, that is ridiculous. All right, boom. If you want to trade down here on the downtrend, how would you do this? So boom, retracement, downtrend, retracement. So this is the lower high being formed right here. What would you do? Get your key zone box right here, and I'm putting it here. And I'm just putting it to where the wicks are reacting to, and everything's just reacting. So if you look on the downtrend, wicks are reacting, broke through, and the retracement is also hitting as well. So that's why it's a key zone, because the retracement, both sides, downtrend and uptrend, is both hitting. It is being support and resistance. It's acting as both, indicating that it is a key zone. So I'm going to drop down to the 15-minute chart, and where would you have entered? You would wait for the break, obviously. Break, retest, and I'm entering in here. This would have been, it wouldn't have been a bad entry, but it's not the best entry. The best entry would have been here when a new lower high was being formed. So break, retest, boom, and then it's retesting here again. And you simply just get in. Put your stop loss. This would now be your stop loss. And you just target here. So ladies and gentlemen, the video cut out, but that is going to be the end of the video. Like I said during the video, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just trying to focus on getting Obviously, all of my content is going to be quality, but I just know that there's so many different avenues with Forex, and I just want to make sure I go down every single avenue and just share to you the knowledge that I have with Forex. I like to scalp. I know that there's not a lot of videos showing people how to scalp, so that's why I made this video. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what videos you would like to see. 100 subscriber giveaway coming soon, ladies and gentlemen. And just in case you did not know, I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.